Hello guys, this is a tutorial for the Rinerly OLED vape. You probably have the problem that when you press the vape button, all you see is no atomizer. In this video I'm gonna show you how I fix it. First off, you have your vape, the Rinerly OLED, and the first step is you need to wear the, let's say, the head of the vape. If you wear that off, you need to turn the vape so that the trip tip looks to the ground. That is very important because if you don't do that, the liquid's just gonna split out, and I think you don't want that. So you look forward at the trip tip, so the thing where you get the smoke and touch it with your lips looks to the ground. The next step is you just wear the bottom of the head off. And if you have that, now you see the atomizer. Atomizer is also called coil. And yeah, this is the problem. The atomizer is probably not firmly turned. So all you have to do is just turn tight the atomizer, so this thing. In my case, it's already turned tight, but yeah, you just have to turn tight that. I think you know how that works, and now all we're gonna do is just put everything in the way it was before, turn tight everything, and now it should probably work. And if it's not working, I have no idea how to fix it. And you don't need to ask me in the comments. I hope I could help you. If you enjoyed the video and I could help you, just leave a like, and I see you guys.